Augmentt Engage allows you to create templates to help streamline the user offboarding process. If you find that you often select the same options every time you offboard a user, you can use the templating options in Augmentt to pre-select the same steps you typically use in the offboarding process. To create an offboarding template, navigate to Engage and then User Management. Click on the Default Settings button in the top right corner. From here, you can select onboarding or offboarding. Once you select offboarding, you can choose to create global or company templates. In this example, we will select a company. Now you can go through the offboarding process and pre-select the steps that you want to take. Once you are finished, you can save your settings. Now, when you offboard a user, the selections you made will be pre-filled, making offboarding users even easier with Augmentt.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.